Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect your WordPress/WooCommerce installation directly to autoRetouch and be able to edit your product images with autoRetouch from within WooCommerce. Follow me. Installing autoRetouch in WooCommerce is pretty easy. Just install the plugin like you would install any other plugin, and then a new menu item pops up. It says you need to connect the account. Now what you need to do for that is have two tabs open. One is the WordPress/WooCommerce tab, and the other one is the autoRetouch tab. So you need to go to autoRetouch, log in with your credentials, and now it's time to connect these two. And the way you do it is you press Connect Account and then Verify Connection. When you do that, a new tab pops open with a letter code in here. So you compare these letters to these here, and if they match, you click Confirm. That's it. I'm not joking. That's all you need to do, and now your account is set up. You see, you have your organization name, your credit balance, as well as the two workflows appear down below. That's it. You're good to go. Let's start using autoRetouch. The first thing you will need to do is, inside of autoRetouch, set up a workflow of how you'd like your image to be edited. In that case, I'd like the background to be removed, and I want to set it on an orange background. You can select the background color down below here. You can specify the pixel sizes of the image, and you click Save Your Workflow. Now this workflow is called Cutout and set on orange. Now in WordPress, you go to your media library where you find all of your image files. I have here a file from a recent photo shoot that's not been edited. Once you have autoRetouch installed, this fields down below will appear here, and you can select the workflow that you would like to apply to this image, in that case Cutout and set on orange. Click on Submit Image. You can view the process in here. It's been submitted. It will shortly turn into process, and it's already done. So let's go back to the media part and see the result. Here was the original image that's still kept, and here is your processed image. That's it. So let's use autoRetouch directly from within the products section of WooCommerce. I'm editing a product right now that has no product image. Should be here and should be in orange. So the way you normally do it is you set a new product image, which is this one, click Set, Update, and there it is. But of course it's not edited. So let's do that. Go back in here, go to the product image and scroll down on the right hand side until you see the autoRetouch integration. Now you can choose from the workflows you have previously set up in autoRetouch, click Submit Image, and you can follow the process in here. The image has been submitted and it's ready. So go back to the products, click on the Should Be Orange, click on the product image once again, and here's the new file. You set the new product image, click Update, and when you go on your website, there is your new product image in the right size with the orange background. That's how easy it is to automatically edit all of your product images with autoRetouch in WooCommerce.